Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to know how to earn money at home. Yes, we all are at home. We are going through all online classes, work from home, this kind of stuff. So I am going to explain you how to earn money from home. So let's get into a video.
Start.
So first thing first, I want to clear that we are not gonna earn illegal way. So we are going through all legal stuff. So first thing first, I am taking the part of creating, okay, creativity, which increases your creativity, and there you will earn money also. First, you may want to create a website, Android app, iOS app. So create a website which is useful for everyone, not only children, teenagers, or like that. Create for everyone which is useful for everyone, and so by that you can earn money from creating websites. There you can use AdSense, like that stuff, and there you can earn good amount of money through websites. Next, Android apps. You can create an Android app. There you can use AdMob and place your ads in that, and you can earn money through that. And the next thing is that if you like photography, yes, you can do freelancing. Yeah, there are many more websites. They'll buy your photos and they'll give you money instead of instead of taking pics at home or like doing some other things. You can show your talent and creativity in photography, and you can sell them in freelancer websites. So creativity stuff goes to our like future goals. And the next thing is that these are the creativity stuff, and another thing is like that where you can earn money is you can start a YouTube channel, and if you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time, there also you can earn money. But in YouTube, first thing first, that you no need to keep that in your mind to earn money always. So it takes lot of time to earn money from YouTube. So do hard work, then you can earn money from YouTube. So many millions of people are earning money from YouTube. So our next stuff is going to be like, you can earn money from Instagram and like Facebook. Yes, you can earn money from these two social media platforms. Here what you can do means, if you have 10,000 followers like that, there you will get sponsorships. Through that sponsorships you can earn good amount of money. They'll give you money and they'll tell that if you advertise my product, I'll give you this much amount of money. This is called sponsorship. So post whatever the photos you want on your like Instagram, like a particular subject you need to select, then post how many videos or photos you want, and then you can get automatically followers. By through this process you can earn good amount of money from Instagram, and the same thing goes to Facebook also. Better you try Instagram only. Facebook is not that, nowadays no one are not using, but you can go through with Facebook also. And the next thing is that you can earn money by teaching people at Unacademy, Topper, Vedantu. These are I know, like these are three where you can teach and earn money. They'll conduct you some interview like stuff. I went through those interviews, but at the last they told me that your bio is not that eligible to teach because you're not graduated. That's why I didn't got into an academy. So I'll tell you that just go through these sites or apps: an academy, topper, Vedantu. There you can earn good amount of money from home only. And the next thing is that you can earn money from freelancer websites. There you can do not only selling your photographs, there you can get so much of work, like whatever the work you do in your software companies, or like whatever it may be, there you can get like database or like simple stuff you can get there also, like creating a website, creating an application, or taking some data from one place and putting there, creating a videos, music. These all are the things you can do. These are the things you can do from home and earn money. And the next thing is that I want to share with you people is that nowadays everyone are earning through online only. No one really cares how we are earning money, but everyone cares that if you don't earn money, they'll not at all take care of you, like they'll not even take your name out. So nothing is impossible. So earn from online in this like COVID situation. So that's it for now. Make sure that hit the subscribe button, like, share and subscribe.